Now this tomahawk has got a bone to pick with you. And by the time we're done, this bad boy is not the only thing that'll be rested and sizzling. Now let's treat the meat. Meat this well marbled, which really means Flavor Town, firm but yielding to the touch. You don't want to over season. You want to savor every juicy bite. So we're going to rub it with a little olive oil and season with simplicity, a little sea salt and pepper. So a little secret, while I'm just dressing this here, little secret I'm going to share with you. Meat this thick, oh my gosh, well, I took it out and I let it sit at room temperature for about an hour and a half, okay? Because when we put this on the grill, we don't want it really cold at the center. So that's why we do that, okay? So I'm going to start with a little bit of pepper here. You just want to rub that in all the way around. And a little bit of sea salt. And pad that in. So take a look at this. Doesn't that look so good? So most of you probably sear the steak first to seal in the juices, but with this mammoth on a bone, we're going to try something different. We're actually doing what's called a reverse sear. We'll cook it on indirect heat till just before our preferred doneness, and then we'll sear it on high heat to lock in the flavor. So let's take this to the grill. But you know the drill. First, walk with me. So we're about to put it on the grill. Just so you know, I'm not sure if you can see in here, but I have burner on, and this in the center here will be the indirect heat where there's no direct flame underneath. So we are gonna put this baby on here, just like that. We're gonna close up shop and let her cook. We'll be back. Okay, we are gonna take a peek at this. I'm gonna pull this off now because I think it's close to being done and we wanna sear it now. Oh my gosh, look at that. Doesn't that look so awesome? So we just need to fire up the Barbie to get it super hot so we can sear it. Hang tight. Okay, let's do this. We've got this fired up to 650 degrees and we are about to sear the juices in. Oh, let me get in there. Oh yeah, listen to that. We're gonna close the lid here. We're only gonna do this for about a couple minutes and then flip it a couple minutes and going in to let it settle. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. We are gonna take this and we're gonna flip her over. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my gosh. Okay, hang tight, 2 minutes, babes. Okay, time is up. Let's take this baby off. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Okay. Even the fire says so. Okay. Fred Flintstone would be so jealous. Okay, we're gonna take this inside and we're gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes. So walk with me, let's go. So folks, take a peek at this. I don't want all the juices to fall out, but does that not look freaking awesome? Okay, I'm going to take it off. We're going to slice into this. Oh boy. And this is my first time using, from Yusun Long, a carver knife. This is, I'm very, very excited. Let's cut into this. Oh my gosh, it's slicing through like butter. Look at that. I know some of you might like it like rare. I'm a rare girl. I don't like my meat rare. We're gonna try this. Oh my gosh, like look at this, like look at that. Okay, let's try it. I'm slicing in. We're gonna take a piece. This is so good. Okay, I've fallen head over bone. People, cheers and stay saucy. This is so good.